In this video, I will show you how to fix ISDone.dll error in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, this method will work in both Windows 11 and 10, and also this will work in laptop and PC. Click on Start and search here View, Advanced System Settings. So type here View Advanced System Settings, click here. Now here underneath Performance, click on Settings. Again click on Advanced. Here you will see virtual memory. Click on Change. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives in case it's selected. So unselect. Now here click on custom size. If you are using your PC or laptop 8 GB RAM, so make 4000 minimum and maximum make 6 or 7000. Then click on set. And if you are using 4 GB RAM, so make initial size 2000 and maximum 3000. Then click on set. So after that you have to click on set. OK. And restart your system. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve ISDone.dll error in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.